Do you know many people are having trouble with their Linksys router's persistent purple light? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check power. Ensure your router is powered on and connected correctly. A purple light means it's ready to set up. Step 2. Open app. Open the Linksys app on your device. If not installed, get it from your app store. Step 3. Start setup. Follow in-app instructions to start the setup process. The light stays purple if setup isn't completed. Step 4. Update firmware. Check and apply any pending router firmware updates through the Linksys app. Step 5. Reset router. If unresolved, reset the router by holding the reset button until the light blinks red. Attempt setup again. By following these steps, your router should be functioning with the correct indicator light color. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Linksys users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.